Alex from WTI. These leggings from QUEENIKE have been so amazing to wear. I have to tell you why I love them. First of all, the texture of these pants are by far the creamiest fabric I've ever felt. It's like velvet, but super smooth, like butter. They have a nice thickness to them, which I like because then I'm not worried about them being see-through. How embarrassing. And they give your stomach a nice big hug to smooth everything out. But they aren't too tight that they're uncomfortable. In fact, they're so comfortable that I can wear them all day long. And while they have a strong tummy tuck effect, they're still easy to put on. You're not wrestling with them or contorting your body to try to squeeze your way into them. Come on, ladies, you know what I'm talking about. These leggings can be worn for a variety of occasions. Whether you're exercising or going out shopping, you'll really enjoy how versatile these pants are. I like to pair them with a long top or tunic and some nice cute boots. It also has this great little pocket on the back so you can hold your phone, your keys, or maybe some rings. Comes in very handy. And it's great because it's right against this wide waist, which is the best part of these leggings. So, like I said, the buttery feel, super comfortable. What more do you need in a pair of awesome leggings? I just can't say enough good things about these. Get yourself a pair. You will not regret it. And that's my point of view.